You know how sometimes in business you kind of run into those little problems? Those things that seem small at first, but then can like snowball into something way bigger?
Oh, yeah, definitely. Like a tiny crack in the foundation can bring down the whole building, right?
Exactly. And that's what we're looking at today, a problem that pops up when sales orders aren't correctly linked to purchase orders. It's like you order something online and the store forgets to actually order it from their supplier.
I've actually seen that happen a lot more than you'd think. Even with all the fancy systems businesses use these days, that link between a sale and actually getting the product can be surprisingly fragile.
Yeah. And that brings us to today's focus, the work of Kirti. She's an associate functional consultant at Tiana Solutions, and she saw this problem firsthand, not in a textbook, but in the real world. And her mission was clear. How do you make sure that when someone checks that mark for PO box on a sales order, they actually follow through and link it to the right PO?
So let's break this down, right? Imagine you're entering a sales order, and you need to buy a specific item to fulfill it. You check mark for PO because you know you need to purchase it. But then life happens. You get distracted, maybe you forget, and you don't actually select an existing PO or create a new one. The intention was there, but the link is missing.
And that's what Kirti zeroed in on. That little checkbox doesn't automatically create the connection. She wanted to catch that precise moment of potential error.
Right, and her solution was really clever. She basically built a filter within the system, a generic inquiry, they call it. This inquiry scans every single line item on a sales order looking for a very specific mismatch.
So it's not looking at the entire sales order as a whole.
Nope, it's going line by line just for inventory items, and it's looking for those items that are marked for PO but don't actually have a PO number in the corresponding field.
I see. So it's really targeted. So what happens when this filter, this inquiry, finds a mismatch?
That's when the magic happens. That's when a business event is triggered. Think of a business event like an automated response to a very specific condition. In this case, the condition is a new sales order line item that matches Kirti's inquiry.
Marked for PO, but no PO number.
Exactly. And when that happens, boom, an email notification goes out automatically.
To who?
To the relevant people, of course. And this isn't just some vague, hey, something's wrong message. It has all the key details. The sales order number, the specific inventory item that's missing the PO link, a clear note that the PO number is missing, and even who created the sales order.
So it's giving them everything they need to fix the problem right away.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Did this actually work?
Oh, it worked like a charm. Kirti actually demonstrated it, and it was impressive. As soon as the sales order was saved with that mark for PO box check but no PO number, the email arrived almost instantly.
That's so cool. It really shows how you can use the tools you probably already have to address those little but potentially costly problems.
Absolutely. And if you're thinking, hey, we deal with this kind of thing all the time, or even, I wonder if we're missing these kinds of errors, Kirti's solution is a great example of how you can build more robust, error-proof processes.
And if you're looking for that kind of expertise, Tiana Solutions is definitely a team to reach out to. They have a ton of experience in this area, and they can help you identify those hidden weak spots in your processes and develop solutions that are tailored to your specific needs, just like Kirti did.
Yeah, so if you're tired of chasing down missing purchase orders and you want to build a more streamlined system, Tiana Solutions can help you out. They can take a deep dive into your processes and help you build proactive solutions that will save you time, money, and a lot of headaches.
They're definitely worth considering. What about you, listeners? What small process in your business could benefit from a little bit of smart automation? Maybe something that could prevent those small issues from turning into big problems down the line. Something to think about.